What are you measuring and how well is it working?
So my focus has really been on this metric around degree of touchless velocity, in these processes, because digitalization is empowering the humans to do much more with a lot less. So you really have to be willing to disrupt and say, what are the metrics that are going to make me successful in the new digital age?
How do you feel about KPIs new processes or the old processes? How are you, or are they working in lockstep?
We are never the same. What we did last year isn't necessarily what we're going to do this year. So those metrics are always evolving.
Can you distinguish in either group for me the difference between digitization is helping you measure better versus digitization is changing the metric completely?
So there are certainly metrics that are disrupted and no longer relevant, obsolete in a digitally connected, adaptive world.
If you're not disrupting yourself, you're at risk for that disruption to hit you from the side. You've got to be the one challenging and trying to come from the side.